Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unlock the motor. Helicopter is taking off. Yay! Check this out. This is nice, awesome, but I have to keep a lot of distance from kids because this is complete bare main rotor right there. You want to see my sticks, how the sticks are working for the control? So here are my sticks and you can see how easy it is to fly. Almost killed the helicopter. In fast mode now. That is called outdoor mode. Oh, nice. Now it's really fast and agile. Now it's a real Airwolf helicopter. Oh, boom. Now it's a real Airwolf. Was flying really fast. Is it still fast? We are hitting the walls. So, can we do hands-free? Yes, we can do hands-free. See, it is pretty stable. Going to the wall. Where to land?
Here in the middle.
In the middle? Okay.
Of the carpet.
Middle of the carpet. Wait. Yeah! Bullseye! Check this out. Great landing, right? Thank you for watching the video and thank you very much for your continued support towards my work on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the regular video uploads. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share the link over your social sites.